Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream all over social media, influencers applying a tiny dab under the eyes and showing instant lifting, smoother skin, and dramatic wrinkle reduction. The brand claims to reduce puffiness, erase fine lines, tighten sagging skin, and brighten dark circles with fast results. But here's the real question. Does Luxeveria actually work? Or is it just another overhyped eye cream with fancy packaging and exaggerated promises? Today we're testing the truth behind this viral product. To find out, I tested Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream for a full 30 days, applying it every morning and night while tracking changes in puffiness, hydration, texture, and visible lines. I compared its ingredients to well-known anti-aging formulas like retinol, peptides, and caffeine-based creams. I also reviewed hundreds of user opinions from comment sections, skincare forums, and product review pages to understand real-world experiences. Combining hands-on testing with community feedback, here's the most accurate breakdown of what Luxeveria actually delivers. Luxeveria makes bold promises, instantly lifts and tightens the under-eye area, reduces wrinkles and fine lines within weeks, brightens dark circles, hydrates deeply without irritation, uses advanced peptide lifting technology. Safe and gentle for daily use. Those claims sound impressive, but are they realistic? Let's break them down. Step 1. Formula and ingredients. The cream contains peptides, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and botanical extracts. Peptides help support firmness, caffeine reduces puffiness, and hyaluronic acid boosts hydration. These are solid ingredients found in many reputable eye creams. However, there is nothing uniquely advanced in the formula. It's good, but not revolutionary. Step 2. Lifting and tightening effects. During the first 2 weeks, mild tightening was noticeable, mostly due to hydration and caffeine. Puffiness reduced in the mornings, giving a slightly lifted look. Many users report similar short-term results. However, the instant lift shown in ads appears exaggerated. It does not create dramatic tightening like medical-grade products. Step 3. Wrinkle improvement. Fine lines softened slightly after consistent use, mostly because of increased moisture. Deep wrinkles did not change significantly. This is normal. Topical creams rarely erase deep lines unless they contain strong actives like retinol, which Luxeveria does not include. Step 4. Brightening dark circles. Results were modest. Hydration helped the area look smoother, but pigmentation-based dark circles did not significantly fade. Users with genetic or deep discoloration should not expect major improvements. Step 5. Texture, absorption, and sensitivity. The cream feels lightweight, absorbs quickly, and does not leave a greasy finish. Most testers, including myself, did not experience irritation. The formula works well under makeup and concealer. Step 6. Limitations. Luxeveria provides hydration, mild tightening, and reduced puffiness, but it is not a miracle product. It won't erase deep wrinkles, lift heavy sagging, or dramatically brighten dark circles. The marketing oversells its results. Step 7. User feedback. Positive reviews say, great for puffiness. Makes my under eyes smoother, hydrating, and gentle. Negative reviews say, not the dramatic lift the ads show. Helps, but not worth the high price. Did not brighten dark circles as promised. So is Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream legit or scam material? It works if you want. Better hydration, mild tightening, reduced morning puffiness, smoother looking under-eye skin, a gentle formula for daily use. It won't work if you expect. Overnight anti-aging, deep wrinkle removal, true lifting effects, major brightening of dark circles. Luxeveria is not a scam, but it is overhyped. It offers decent, natural-looking improvements, not the dramatic transformations shown in ads. If this review helped you understand the real performance of Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We bring honest product breakdowns every week. Stay informed and stay sharp.